Hello and welcome everyone. So the March exams are around the corner, and all those students who are preparing for March 2024 exam, this video is specifically for the ACCA SBL examination. In front of you is Sir Shaikh Bilal Haque, and I would like to give few tips and tricks for March 2024 exam. In this specific exam, we do not have a boring industry like the cloud computing industry. We have a new football sports industry that we are going to go through in our pre-scene material, which is available from the ACCA site for March 2024 exam. Now, this is one of the most interesting industries, although they have used some technical jargons in this pre-scene material. But the way you guys must be preparing for your exam, you need to know that the pre-scene material is just a way to skim through the industry knowledge as well as the company knowledge. Now, in the real examination, you will be given with some exhibits, and to some extent you will be given with the requirements in order to solve that examination. So the pre-scene material, the first thing and the most important tip is that you need to go through the pre-scene material. You need to decode this pre-scene material to an extent that, okay, now these are the information that has been given to us. Secondly, what you need to do is make sure that you practice rigorous past papers as much as possible. My suggestion is to go through the Corjet exam, go through the Yashmarine, peel sleeve solution, and obviously attempt at least one examination in mock scenario. You have 3 hours and 15 minutes to attempt your exam for the strategic business leadership. Make sure that you attempt this exam, at least one exam in the examination format. Another tip for each and every one of you is please go through the technical part at least 1 or 2 times. If you are writing your examination with the help of certain models, this basically help you to align the answer that you are drafting, and your end result of your answer will not be a misaligned or a misdrafted answer. Another important and the most important tip is learn through what the examiner is basically telling you. You have got examiner's report, you have got the examiner's suggested answer. Make sure that you go through them thoroughly and rigorously. Make sure that you follow the examiner's report religiously, because this is how you are going to gain marks in your exam. I hope so these tips and tricks are very much fruitful for you all, and best of luck for your March 2024 exam.